MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang. MUKBANG, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang. MUKBANG, bang, bang, bang.
Hello, my feasting crew. How are you? And today we have some pulled chicken sandwiches, as you can see. So let's get a thumbnail going. We got Naya in the background. I already got me a pulled pork. Oh, I got coleslaw, onions, pickles, jalapenos to put on there. Try to eat a few real quick. My baby back there crying. And the topic today is when I got in my first fight, y'all. My first fight I ever been in.
In Pillars? Elementary.
No. Yep. Yeah, we talking about?
No. I heard about the fight that happened in Pillars.
I'm talking about the first fight I ever been in. So tell the people, hey, man.
What's up? Put it too.
Well, you been hiding, girl.
Behind the camera. This here's behind the camera. I think I'm gonna just stay like this to be in videos. I just won't be seen no more.
You don't want to be seen no more.
I just don't want. Yeah, I don't want to be seen no more.
Why?
I don't like the internet no more.
Why not?
I only like to watch people on the internet because people too crazy out here. They just way too crazy out here.
People are crazy.
Mm-hmm.
They are.
Not even gonna lie. People stalk you. People do the things, the most craziest things out here. Yeah, I just can't trust.
Yeah, I haven't ate all day.
You just can't trust the world.
Okay, y'all. So I had seen Dan and AJ do a pulled chicken, I think, or pulled pork. And I was thinking, like, what I ain't do yet. And then I was thought about that. I was like, damn, I want some pulled chicken.
I wonder who that is.
So I made this out of chicken legs. Some good old seasoning.
I get why. Then I get why I got the gristle.
And barbecue sauce.
Is it somebody outside?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to be coughing because I just got over a cold. And I'm not finna blur out every time I cough either. Because ain't no telling how many times I'm going to cough. Is there somebody out there? Yeah, so I decided to do these pulled pork.
Chicken.
Oh, pulled chicken. Yeah, you're right. Because I don't eat pork. You won't see pork on this channel.
And plus, I feel bad for pigs. Chickens, I don't feel bad for chickens. Because a chicken will attack you real quick. Peck, 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 peck.
Y'all, I'm back at my old scenery. Y'all miss my dining room? It was in the living room. Y'all, this is delicious.
Pig.
Oh, never mind. Don't worry about it. It might be up under that thing. So, y'all, the first fight I ever got into was it was with a dude.
Oh.
No, not the little boy.
Oh.
Not the little boy. My first fight, like them actually fighting back. But that little boy didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing back. So I was like in 4th grade, maybe. 3rd or 4th grade. Make sure all the stuff on my face. And I think I was 2nd because I think I remember Miss Pierce, my teacher, giving me some cookies and some aluminum foil. So I rode home with my twin sister and my brother girlfriend kids, which was, she had a son and a daughter. So I rode home with them. And if I'm not mistaken, she had 2 daughters and a son. But I got in a fight with her son. Now this is why we got in a fight, y'all.
Trying to steal your cookies. He tried to steal
No.
your... Oh.
He asked me for a cookie and I was like, no.
It's about the cookies anyway. God.
Yeah, I remember it clear as day. He was like, let me get a cookie. And I was like, no. I ain't open them yet. I ain't want to give him no cookie. So, I don't know. He might have said I was fat or something. I don't remember how the argument went. But
I remember how that fight went.
I didn't want to give him none of my cookies. So, we make it to their house. We get out the car and we fought. Cause I don't remember why. It was about the cookies though. It was about the cookies. So I remember got in the car. He said something to me. I said something back to him. And then I'm fighting him with the cookies in my hand. Like we going at it with the cookies in my hand. I'm holding on to the cookies and fighting them. Like I'm like fighting them with the cookies. So, all I remember is we fighting. My brother run over there to break us up. And the only thing I was worried about was my cookies. Mm-hmm. Like, where my cookies at? And they was still in my hand, balled up.
Destroyed.
Yeah. They was messed up. They was over with. Yeah, I was so mad. I was like, turned it to the heart. I was like, oh, you killed my cookies! You killed my cookies! I was trying to get back at him. My brother was like, chill out. You did good. You held your own. You did good. I was like, no. He finna give me some cookies. He finna give me some more cookies. He finna do something about these cookies. I couldn't even tell y'all what else happened after that. I didn't get to fight him again, though. Then we went home. So I'm mad about my cookies. Now my first real fight, a real fat fight, and then a fight over some cookies. My cookies. And he wasn't fat, but he was acting fat. Because you want to fight me on my cookies. You mad because I want to give you a cookie. Right then. Because I was going to give him a cookie. I was.
Yeah, I was the same thing, bro. Really. Kept my cookies in my hand. I told you, you over here talking about, and then that all of a sudden want to fight me. I would not fight them with my fist. I just would have got my cookies. Really, you want these cookies? You want these cookies? I would stuff my cookies down their throat.
That was my first real fight.
It really made them choke on those cookies. You want those cookies? You don't choke on these cookies. Nobody gonna have these cookies. Cause what is my cookies?
With what money?
I don't know.
Cause you tripping.
If he had money, I don't know. I'm still.
But why would you not just keep your cookies? I should have looked. I don't know if he gave
You
me
see,
cookies,
you had your cookies in your hand, fighting dude. Yeah, I would have
but
unfolded my
like
cookies
I wasn't
in my
thinking
hand.
like, okay, he coming at me. Okay, let me sit these cookies down. No. I was like, I'm finna get, oh, he want it? Let go. Yeah. Oh, I wonder how them cookies taste to this day. Dang, I wonder how them cookies taste to this day. They was cause this what I wanted to do though. I wanted to come home, put them in the microwave, cause they were chocolate chip cookies. And you know how you make the chocolate chip gooey a little, you make the cookie a little soft. That's what I was going home to do. I'm friends with him on Facebook though, so I wonder if he gonna watch this video.
You still know that dude? So did I? I know he reminded you of that cookie store now. I know he reminded you of that cookie store.
I don't know.
Y'all can't just talk to each other and be like,
We don't talk to each other. Just because you Facebook friends with somebody don't mean you talk to them.
you can't be friends with somebody if you don't even talk to the person.
On Facebook, yeah. Facebook is just Facebook.
The reason I keep moving so much in your video is because I can't get comfortable. Like, I can't, oh.
Boom. Excuse the gats and the gnats if you see them. I said we had a water leak. It's been rough out here for a pimp, but I got some unboxing right here to do too.
You a pimp.
P-I-M-P. Stop hating on me. Unboxing. My sister-in-law sent me some lights.
Who is your sister-in-law?
Charlene.
What type of lights are those? What type of lights are those?
They're for my videos.
I want one.
Thank you, Charlene. They do different colors and all that. I'm supposed to be showing y'all them lights.
I want one. You only have one of them, don't you?
My first gift to make my YouTube adventure grow.
You don't understand. I don't know what cartoon you look like, but no, you look like Olaf when Olaf was over holding up his cheeks so he wouldn't melt. You don't understand hot.
Alright. I'm getting full, y'all. I'm gonna eat the last little bit of this. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long.
Really, I'm gonna tell you that. You tired. You're like, you're not all the way tired. I need some LAD.
Oh yeah, thank y'all everybody that did my grasshopper challenge. I had 2 people so far. James World.
Ooh.
Dining with Spice.
Woo!
Did it already. Mushroom with Cake said tune in tonight. Well,
Woo!
Sunday night.
Woo!
This will be coming out Monday or Tuesday.
Woo!
So that video will be out. So thank you, Mushroom with Cake, as well. I don't think nobody else did it so far.
Woo!
Now, Spice finished her whole bag of grasshoppers.
You owe $25.
Whole bag
$25.
of...
So you give everybody $25 who do it and finish that whole bag?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah, I heard
I'm
her.
not a big baller.
She said
Shot caller.
No, I know y'all just heard her. She said no.
But the rules was explained
I know that.
in the video.
I remember.
So they already know
I
that.
remember.
So why you asking them, did they hear that?
Walk is slow.
They been heard. They've been heard that. Well, that's not acting slow. But yeah, they been heard that. I said the first person that upload that video that eat all the grasshoppers get the $25.
Man, this need to be like that. Yeah, right here. But that because your hair way longer than mine, so where it can't like puff up.
I want my hair way longer than this. I want my shit to be perfect. It's actually longer than this, but I don't feel like pulling on it. When I get my puff right, I ain't gonna stop wearing it. I'm gonna be out here like this. How y'all think I ought to get my hair done for my birthday? A bob?
Braids!
Braids?
Keep it cheap.
A simple sewing with some long hair.
You give me some single braids. Let me see your braids. Y'all need to know that. I've been asking them for single braids for a long time. Y'all gave me single braids. What have I done to you for you not to just give me
they
braids?
They are time consuming.
Yeah, and my hair is time consuming when it comes to going to school every morning. I don't want to keep doing my hair.
You also don't know how to leave your hair the hell alone. Every time you do your hair, you always messing with it.
Every time you do my hair in the morning, it's messed up. You know why? Do you really want to know why? I'm going to tell you anyways. That's because I am a wild sleeper. I'll go to sleep in one spot and I'll wake up in a different spot. I move too much in my sleep, bro. Something I can't.
Alright, let's eat one more.
You got 4 different thumbnails to thank from.
Oh, I gotta do that. The Corey Ball challenge.
What's a Corey Ball?
Eat a cheeseburger.
A cheeseburger.
You gotta eat a burger and dip it in a big ass bowl of cheese. Excuse that mess, y'all. One more. Jalen, I'm shooting a video.
They can't even see that piece.
They can't see the table?
Nope.
Oh, great.
I flip.
Well, the joke's on you then.
I flip.
But y'all help your girl get her watch hours up. Like, y'all ain't watching her wake up videos.
Nah, you said it too late.
Huh?
Then now you said it too late. Oh!
Like, whoever mess with a real G, gonna play my playlist all week long or something. I need some owl. I'm trying to get more time. Oh yeah, this video probably come out on Danny's birthday. I think February 3rd. Oh, happy birthday to my dad. His birthday is Monday, February 3rd. Happy birthday to Lionel Days. Because this video probably will come out. I'll probably pull it out Monday. So I'll put that on. You're going to get a headache. Shoot. I need a prank to do, y'all. Comment down below, give me a prank to put on kid. I got one coming up though. And I ain't gonna know it here. Boom. That's why I wanted Brianna over here today, because I was gonna do a prank on y'all. But man,
you act like a little child. Why is you so childish, bro? I thought grown-ups was supposed to be the older ones. Like, if children are fighting, like, grown-ups would be like, yeah, keep going. You supposed to be the one over here telling us to stop.
I don't tell them about to keep going. I be
You
like, hey, y'all better stop. I'll beat y'all ass.
No, you don't ever come in and you just be over here like, yeah, y'all keep fighting. Y'all
Stop
do
lying.
it.
I had to snatch you off Jalen the other day in the car.
You had to. But you was laughing while doing it, bro.
Oh, what?
Exactly. You're not supposed to be laughing.
But y'all funny. Oh, you want one of these?
No.
Oh.
I'm not big.
Hold on, Cardi B face.
That is not no Cardi B face. You better.
Alright, y'all. Keep the
Cardi!
video short and sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll love you long time. Until next time, I'll holla. Peace.